Okay, so this is your deluxe ULIVETO room. Here you have a key that only works for electricity, and I suggest to keep this in. From here you can manage the temperature and the air conditioning. Here you have two bathrooms, as you can see. And please, allow me to show you the terrace.
Oh, wow.
If you look on the right, you have a nice view of the ULIVETO garden. And on the left, there is a little view of the
I will bet, I will do this.
over there, you can see the ULIVETO. Here there is the park. And this one, you can see a slice of bacon. What is complimentary are the bottle of water and of course the coffee machine. So if you run out of water or coffee pads, by dialing number 9 you can contact us 24/7.
Dolce Vita style?
Yes, Dolce Vita style, exactly. You hit the point. And you can use the radio to charge your phone. Whatever you might need, number 9 we can help you and assist you 24/7.
So two buffer.
Two bathrooms. Of course your bags will arrive shortly.
Super.
Hope you like it, enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Arrivederci.